development for Denver, and I've been working with There With Care for 2 years now, but I've known about There With Care for 4 years.
Paula Dupree-Pessman. I'm the executive director and founder, and I've been involved with it it's 10 years old, and I started it 11 years ago. There With Care is a nonprofit based in Colorado, and we provide basic day-to-day support to families facing critical illness. What we try to do is find the 1 or 2 things that are heavy on a plate for a family going through a crisis and give them more time with their kids. Everything that people do share does make a difference for a family in a fragile time. So whatever that looks like to each individual, it matters.
Thank you, creatures.
Thank you for your help. We so appreciate you being here. We really appreciate the support for our families. And come join us.
Awesome. Yeah.
There's a spot for everyone.